Get ready for a financial rollercoaster as some of the biggest players in the market unveil their strategic moves. Let's summarize few financial prelude before examining corporate actions. Welcome to Corporate Actions India. About 160 global retailers are gearing up to set up shop in India this year, bringing diverse offerings. Peet's Coffee from the US, Cafe Amazon from Thailand, Le Pain Quotidien from Belgium, Barcelos from South Africa, and even a dessert shop Havells, alongside 6 other US-based shops, are ready to enrich India's retail landscape. The US dollar is climbing towards its highest levels since December, fueled by rising US Treasury yields. As the dollar gains strength, gold experiences a dip in value. Investors are closely watching these market dynamics for potential shifts in currency and commodity investments. Hyundai commits a whopping $845 million to revive GM's mothballed plant in India. This strategic investment not only showcases Hyundai's confidence in the Indian market but also promises a significant boost to the country's automotive manufacturing sector. About 4 dozen companies, including Indian Oil, Grasim, Tata Consumer, South Indian Bank, and UPL, are in a rush for rights issues to mobilize funds exceeding 50,000 rupees crore. This proactive approach reflects their commitment to financial resilience in a dynamic market environment. Aster DM Healthcare is contemplating a dividend payout in the range of 110 rupees 120, leveraging the proceeds from the sale of its Gulf business. This strategic move reflects the company's intent to reward shareholders and optimize gains from business divestment. Brace yourselves. ITC Limited is all set to make a game-changing move with the declaration of an interim dividend on the 29th of January. Hold tight. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited is gearing up to drop a bombshell by declaring an interim dividend on the 31st of January, with a record date set for the 9th of February 2024. Ready for a twist? Siemens Limited is in the spotlight, planning to consider the payment of a dividend on the 16th of February, and marking its territory with a record date set for the 30th of January 2024. Get ready for excitement. Havells India Limited is on the verge of making a significant move by considering the payment of an interim dividend on the 23rd of January. Buckle up. Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited is about to make waves with the declaration of an interim dividend on the 22nd of January. Hold your breath. Angel One Limited is making headlines, having declared its third interim dividend of 12.70 rupees with a record date of the 23rd of January 2024, and the payment expected on the 14th of February. Stay tuned. Aster DM Healthcare Limited is eyeing a dividend in the range of 110 rupees to 120 rupees, subject to approval. Something big is brewing. Mahanagar Gas Limited is set to make a move by considering the declaration of an interim dividend on the 23rd of January. Hold on tight. PCBL Limited has declared an interim dividend of 5.50 rupees with a record date of the 29th of January 2024. Banaras Beads Limited, mark your calendars. Banaras Beads Limited is all set to consider the declaration of an interim dividend on the 31st of January, with a record date of the 12th of February 2024. And payment scheduled for the 22nd of February. Big news. Kirloskar Pneumatic Co. Limited is gearing up to consider the declaration of an interim dividend on the 24th of January. Get ready for the revelation. Control Print Limited is scheduled to declare an interim dividend on the 22nd of January. Stay tuned. Apcotex Industries Limited is about to unfold its plan by considering the proposal of an interim dividend on the 23rd of January. Brace yourselves for a transformation. Manorama Industries Limited has just announced a stock split from 10 rupees into 2 rupees, with the record dates to be intimated in due course. The game changer. Choice International Limited is making a strategic move with the announcement of the issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1. Exciting times ahead. Pharma Industries Limited is all set to issue a bonus of shares in the ratio of 1:1, with a record date of the 28th of February 2024. Brace for impact. Rama Steel Tubes Limited is gearing up to consider the proposal of the issuance of bonus shares on the 24th of January. Major developments. DigiContent Limited has just received approval for a proposal of buyback at 86.75 rupees. The buyback buzz. Arnold Holdings Limited has set the record date for a buyback at a price of 21 rupees for an amount not exceeding 13 crores, with the record date being the 25th of January 2024. Unlocking potential. Man Industries India Limited is scheduled to consider the proposal of a rights issue on the 22nd of January. Ready for takeoff. Magnum Ventures Limited is about to consider various terms and conditions for a rights issue on the 18th of January. The tech twist. Indian Infotech and Software Limited has set the record date for a rights issue at 1.60 rupees in the ratio 13:50, with the issue period from 6th to the 13th of February and renunciation on the 8th of February. The record date is the 29th of January 2024. Home Sweet Home. Indiabulls Housing Finance Limited is scheduled to consider the proposal of a rights issue on the 17th of January. The strategic move. Adroit Infotech Limited has set the record date for a rights issue at the issue price of 15 rupees, with the issue period from 7th to the 16th of February and the last date for market renunciation on the 12th of February. The record date is the 19th of January 2024. Fueling growth. Asian Petroproducts and Exports Limited is scheduled to consider a rights issue on the 18th of January 2024. Tinplate Company of India Limited. The Amalgamation Saga. The effective date of the scheme of amalgamation with Tata Steel Limited is the 15th of January. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update, share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.